Hi guys, our 2025 Lexus GX550 comes with V6 3.4 liters engine and has two engine air filters. You can see one on the right and one on the left side. And right now we'll show you how to replace both. To open this cover we have to undo these clips. You simply pull it away from the cover like this. And there is one more underneath. And this will allow us to lift the top cover, and this is our engine air filter inside. This is how it looks, and this is the part number. Insert the new one, make sure that it is aligned properly. And now we'll have to close this cover. Start with this clip, and I will do them one by one. This side is done. The right side cover with the filter has two clips on one side, and it has two hooks on the other side. It will be very similar, guys. First undo the clips, now lift the cover and pull it to the right side, and again this is the second filter. I will carefully pull it out. Again guys, the part number, this is how it looks. Now I will insert, guys, the new one, and first we need to make sure that the claws go in, both of them. Push it in all the way. Now install the clips, and replacement is complete.